2020, gentleman of the 2020, gentleman of the 2020, gentleman of the call your people big, gentleman of the call your people big, gentleman of the you say now you be leader, gentleman of the 2020, gentleman of the 2020, gentleman of the ABC, ABC, Melanie Oro, Melanie Oro, Melanie Oro, next level. APC Osomole. Next level. APC Edo State. Next level. APC Bobara. Next level. A meeting at here anyway. Imatio Kado the word. Any word the Yamaleti. The leaders, the word, ESCO, the word, and 10 youths, the word. Imatio Abeli Wataye. Bàbá bu ẹ̀kọ́ máa ṣe nọ̀ládó yomigele omigele yẹgbẹ́ bàbá bu ẹ̀kọ́ máa ṣe nọ̀ládó omigele omigele yẹgbẹ́ omigele bàbá bu ẹ̀kọ́ máa ṣe nọ̀ládó omigele omigele yẹgbẹ́ omigele bàbá bu ẹ̀kọ́ máa ṣe nọ̀ládó omigele.
Okay. I was not going to come out today. You can see how good I look right now. Good evening, everyone. Aba ifipa ayagbe we. Wa ga e wa won ya owe. Wa ya won ya owe. Ekeri meri owe yi. Anybody when I join, that person go raise hand, he go thank God. If he listen to me or he listen to the voice of the God, he go succeed. If he not listen, he go be jabrata. Am I if you pa? Destiny no be me. Am I if you pa? Yari yik be winning. Iwa am I if you pa? 4+4 talk back. Yari yik pa belly winning. Itamwa. Ira hamwana we. If you na no go Bamako, go Libya, go sub-Sahara Africa, go bring those children home and create job for Edo people. Mega Comrie, no go kudo. They don't listen to me. They think say, now one can ye matter. Now I tell them say, go and look at the video I did. I say, if these people play me, they come they send their roaches. Their parasite one to insult me was giving me ultimatum. If I hear Basaki mat in your mat, if I hear a chief of staff in your mat, Tawu, if I hear Sakwa, I never hear me, we all get it up. More what are here? Okay, go. Mommy is shining here as my age. As my age, when I wait day 30, 40s. A young person, look my face because of stomach infrastructure. Itamuwa in a 4+4 egba. Oshomule should thank me. Number one. Oshomule people should start to be happy. I tell you now, say me as a security expert, my duty is to protect those who cannot protect themselves. My duty is to fight for those who are being oppressed. Italian there, no there. Day before yesterday and something. I tell you, I say this one now show me the side I do. I know they do like this. I was in the middle. I was trying to make peace. Now Obaseki side come unleash on me. They begin to insult me. They insult me. They not be me that they insult. They begin to insult their governor. I must say, oh, now so these people be. Ọ̀pẹ̀ẹ́dìkẹ̀tẹ̀ wọ́n Obaseki na way. Obaseki a spirit in my way. Because of Osagbo where you are. And Tawo Akiyole, the chief of staff to Obaseki. Aweru wala. Dumes. Niga Arriba. And our ma. When I saw that they were going to oppress Obaseki, I came out, I stood for Obaseki. I said no. But after 1 week, Obaseki can't come out with oppression. I said, a guy don't want repeating it. This guy, when they say he have been redeemed, I said, this man not go change you. He not go change before a year round. Boom. They begin to insult their papa. They say, hey, me. I must say, okay. I said, no problem. Go! That's it. You don't see answer this year. I mean, hey, go! Area. My people. Look at the time. What time is it in Europe? Somebody should tell me. What time is it in Europe right now? For you to say that right now, if you don't shut up, I will take you out of this place. Either you resist this heat in this kitchen, or you get the hell out of the kitchen. Charles, one more thing. Eat torpedo when you will platform. Charles, I go torpedo you. One more thing. Go and delete what you write. I see say you don't the right. Sorry. Akataka. Hey, Ramigo. The tiger and the lion combine. Itamu wa amene memu ashie. Oh, we not share in 9. Yes, in 9. I wish you know ya one me recently. Wish you know ya one me. Amene ya one vem boy. Ya wa kutu. Usunya aloke ki ya gwa bela wa kutu. O igwalo no mu we yo magbe emma wa. O igwalo no shi no si digi. O ya won okuku yeke. O won it don't go drink pepper soup. I hear say they run him. Why is it one yo on the phone? Irrelevant. Okay, ma tie boss awe. Ekwe o yo kutu. Amen on one. Assassin awo itulo. No ya fen boy. Give me shine. See, na mane de o. Na mane de this channel. See, you don't see. Ma show na. See, na mane mo. Made for Mega Comedy. Okame, Oweme. Obaseki must go. Breaking news, my people. First of all, I want to thank those groups today. EPA member, wanna go wake them up. Then Tony Kabaka, make a first make this thing. If you show mule. Turn around, go settle with Obaseki. Make more and listen to me. Today's date is Wednesday, November 6. Wednesday, November 6. If Abi, not be so. Okay. Exactly. So, wait, may I confirm? I confirm, eh? And I wait. You know, today's date is Wednesday, November 6th. If Oshomule go settle with Obaseki, he na that day nama go bragada Oshomule, bragada. Make una remember, not be that day una come they say if they move here and there, we side the day. I don't talk now. That's why I talk on that day for Washington DC. If Obaseki not rescue our people, not create job, and to make matter worse, he go send that parasite worm that don't even want me mention his name. Parasite worm. Make it they insult themselves. And I will go, amen. If you want to intimidate or if you want to threaten somebody, not a detention officer, not a jailer, not a correctional officer. If you want to threaten anybody, you can threaten police or you can threaten people on the, not me that work in the prison or retire. Oshomole never start to spend money. Oshomole never start to spend money. Obaseki, they not tire. Breaking news. My message, it penetrate. Those people, thank you. My message, it penetrate. Oh, alliance again. I will break the news now. Today, I don't want to call them. Oshomole people. 4+4, Eba, EPN. They decided to go hold a meeting today in Benin. Obaseki people say, may they go, because Ghana say, may they go fight them. May they go Edo North or Edo Central, may they go fight them for that side. From Benin. Early this morning, now my informant called me. Say, pa come out to meeting when they want hold today. EPN, show now whole meeting today. I know they Benin, I know they Edo State. Now whole meeting now. When I know why that meeting they go successful, I go tell you now. But could I go wait Tony Kabaka? One Tony, when he are packed. I mean the Agmo, VRTA, Lore Soka, wanna go wake them up. That meeting, 4+4 political terrorists. Here you woman. They come organize. They say ni awa asaiba na Obaseki. Now he dey create problem for Benin. Oshomole people want go home meeting today. Obaseki sad say make they go destroy them. Now the Benin people say, ma wa you? Okada talks. Okada terrorists. And they say, we will go. Now they say, okay, we go organize. If I'm lying, make una come tell me whether I lie. That's why I come out today. Make una no say anything one they do. Listen. Anything what this matter don't hide. See them, they don't come. Go sleep. Be I go say you make you go sleep right now. Say one more thing. Yeah, where you know here? When me shine, you don't see as I shine. Me and you, who old pass, but who shine pass. See my body, see a natural muscle. See ya. Natural. Come make me and you do push up. Make me and you can't do push up. Ade got away push up. You know we go sleep. Terry, when I back. No run. No run. Yeah, we or delete it. We are re. Yeah, we. What's your man? We ain't lay Boko Haram now. We are this Boko Haram. Obaseki Boko Haram. Obaseki Boko Haram people, they don't come. Boko Haram commenter. Wanna help me? Where you are? Where we? Olay! Obaseki Boko Haram. Where there? Where there? Go. Obaseki Boko Haram. Obaseki Facebook Boko Haram. See ya. Ran Z Boko Haram. Boom. Bragada. Bragada. Don't comment now. Idiot. Come and comment. Let me ask you people one question. Now put my earpiece for you. Make I invite them. Bad politician, evil politician, evil doers. I am so happy. Give me 1 second. Akataka. Evil politicians. Let me play it. Hold on. What am I? Wanna hold on. Evil politicians. Today, Governor Godwin Obaseki thugs refused to fight Oshomole EPN today. 4+4 Eba. Thank you for not fighting. Governor Godwin Obaseki, where are the 200 jobs that you promised? Today, they can't tell the deputy, say, may they go attack Obaseki, Oshomole people for a donut. Now those people tell them, say, we know they go. They say, we don't tire to the fight Oshomole people. They go ask the deputy and Obaseki, say, where job? Now job we want. We don't tire. We not be military. Una go they use us. They fight every day. Job will not give us. I say, So all these youth don't they get things? No work. So that was why that EPA meeting we are held successful, because Obaseki talk. They don't tell Obaseki, say they don't tire to the fact mobilize every day, no work. If I'm lying, tell them to come and argue with me. Tell them. So this evening they can't gather. As they gather, they can't have meeting. They can't call those boys when they say make you go organize those talks. These people are good one. They say they are not capable to fight. Why would I not go fight EPM for a donut meeting? Why would I not go scatter around? Now those boys come tell them, say, una say we not they capable. How we go they capable? Una they ride helicopter. Una they ride chopper. Una they ride brand new car. Motor when we demand they follow una. It dey spoil. The leg not dey, tire not dey. Money one they give us. You know they reach us to feed the motor. Wife they hungry. So nothing when they get. How you go they follow una they walk up and down for nothing? So you get one guy, you when they talk now, you know who that they call power man. Una know huh? Who know power man here? Power man. More na can't argue. Make I tell you now. I go download raw. Una know power man. For auntie. Una know power man. How many of una know power man? How many of una know power man for a donut? Okay, good. Good. Power remain, not be kid and killer. Power remain while they suffer. Now they ask and say, power remain. He don't die, they kill him. He dey walk follow Obaseki. Since they kill him, his wife, power remain wife is suffering, widow. Una they send them, make them go fight, make them go fight, make them go fight, make them go fight. Power remain when he lose his life for now. Obaseki administration. The family they suffer. Okay, thank you. So now mega comrade they talk true. Hey, so mega comrade they talk true now, be all right. I tell you now. But now wait. Who go tell me the reason why they keep power remain? Why they keep power remain? After that last election, when power remain fight for Obaseki, where is power remain wife? Who they take care of power remain? Me, I don't know the boy. So, Edo people, they go revolt say they know they fight for Obaseki again. Power remain fight for Obaseki administration for election. Now they kill and put. Today, power remain wife not fit buy pure water. Do you want to put your family in that situation? Tomorrow, Obaseki go to Japan. Next tomorrow, he go to jet. Tomorrow, he go to chopper. Then 4 hours later, he go there with Dangote. Power remain dey 6 feet underground. If family no fit eat, they no even get pure water to drink. Politicians call you people towel, useful towel. They go use you now. After they don't destroy now, they say go. Now they go they drive. Wow. Sarin go they follow you, go they follow up. And how many sarin they follow now? Benin people. Make una listen to people when come for Libya, go they fight for politicians. Una know where. Because to say politician create job, una for not go Libya. As they don't give una job, una go suffer, drink pee. Pee person go peace, you go drink am. You come manage, make a company crack. Una come manage rich house. Now, una go dey fight for politician. Make una remember power remain o. Make una remember him wife o. Obaseki no dey take care of her now. Make una know say the same way when power remain take die when nobody remember am. That could be you. May God not let anybody die. We don't tire for Obaseki. Obaseki! Now if they find Oshomole trouble. Or you women. We cannot feel safe. Make I tell you now, the youth will not go that mission today. I salute you now. If you are one, and they tell Obaseki people when they gather, they say you are not capable. You, if you capable, you the executive, deputy governor, if you capable, you go carry Okada, go by yourself. Now the people tell them, say, how we go capable? We not want capable. We not get work. We not get motto. Good motto, not the. Una motto age not the spoil. Our own age is spoil. Why it can't be say now so fight? We can't now the use of the fight. Where is the 200,000 job? Now their trouble start today. They say hey, they go organize other people. That is why that EPA meeting hold today. If not be say those talks, they refuse to go fight. Now another story today for B. So I came out to let Edo people know say now Governor Obaseki be the problem, not be Oshomole. Now Obaseki be the problem. Obaseki, this thing that I'm saying now, me now, Obaseki not care about nobody. He not care. Obaseki hate us. He hate us with passion. Oshomole, at least Oshomole get children. Before Oshomole do this, go still think. This could be my child. This could be this. What do Obaseki go think? Oh, what you know what woo for? Why what it? Oh my kind. Hold on. Oh my the kind. Oh my the kind. So EPA people, it's time for you people to come and thank Mega Comrade. Hey amigo, who was it? Amigo, our political legbuke. Political legbuke. Velo samore kai. Political legbuke. Iya maje gbe arado. Ahwe. Iya open ear. We make one phone call. But I share this video. And those that are supporting me, then brother Fred and the rest, thank you so much. I have bought I go show now tomorrow. Waiting I buy megaphone. I go buy megaphone. Many. Wait, I go see her. I will tell you the detail tomorrow. Tomorrow we not go take for this phone for this broadcast. Make I quickly call. So my people, Edo people don't they why let us vote for who love us. Oh yeah, Arioko organize, mobilize. Now mobilize na be JOB job. E mobilize or iwina. Huh? E mobilize or iwina. On my way me know why. No. So Obaseki must go. Egba ye Obaseki must go. That is what I came here to tell you now. Anything to this evening now, the day meeting, maybe they don't come out. Anything when they do, I'm going to watch them. So we need money to take by one of the boys. Anyway, I will do that on my own. We are going to send them money so that they can be taking care of their family. May they know they follow the fight. Some of them, we tie. Wherever anybody, wherever all those one way they talk say how many delegates to Oshomole get, you not get. How many people you get for House of Assembly? House of Assembly, how many you get? You don't get anybody there. Oshomole get people. Barrister Oge get people. Deputy governor get people. How many you get, Obaseki? Zero. You don't get anybody. You don't get your own people. Now just the billion when you say you want carry come out. Obaseki, may I tell you, I know you very well. You don't get any. You think say you go do this one, not to the tire. These people not go follow you far. 2020. Now 1 year ahead. Just step down. Simple. Just go beg Oshomole say, I don't agree. May they bring who go help Edo people come out. Period. Obaseki must go. Obaseki! Oba create a problem already. Now they create the problem. Oshomole people, they do their meeting. Why Obaseki? Be one send people go there, make them go to fight them. Imagine that. Una see if you're in regbo, una see where do I enjoy? Where Allah likota you la likotari? Okay, Mega Comrade, can you really tell why Oshomole is fighting Obaseki? Please, Latino, Oshomole is not fighting Obaseki. Obaseki is fighting Oshomole. Oshomole is not fighting Obaseki. Obaseki is the one fighting Oshomole. Imagine, I will make an example of my own. When I went to Washington, D.C. in August 30th, 29, I met with Obaseki team. They told me that they have seen me, that they like what I said, and they like the way I am, that people, the way they picture me in Benin, it was very bad. But when they saw me, that they were shocked. So I am fighting for people, not for my pocket. I said, no, I don't need 1 penny. Make you help people for Libya. Make you help them for Bamako. Make you help people that are stranded. From there, if we do it 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, we can generate revenue, beg international community. Once they see them, now they say, perfect. They say, Governor, go meet me tomorrow in the afternoon. I tell them, say, they go Dallas early in the morning. 6 o'clock, I don't come out. If I was a person that is anxious for money, I for tell them, make them change my ticket. I don't tell them. They say, okay, Governor will fly to Dallas, we will arrange. That is what the chief of staff told me. I said, no problem. Let us do this. Where we can work together, we work together. And they tell you now, why Obaseki they fight Oshomole? I said, okay, was that not a good thing that I did? People were insulting me. You don't collect money. You don't collect money. I even tell Chief of Staff, I said, they will say I took money. Chief of Staff say, if they talk they go come out. They go speak the truth. Before you know, picture when we carry there, from where we did, they say, make that picture not come out. Now, Obaseki people, now he send and go meet about. Inside there, you cannot trust these people. Immediately, now Abad post the picture. I must say, Chief of Staff, see the picture one we just took right now. He said, oh, don't worry. When I get to, I will talk to that. What he's doing is very, very bad. What he's doing very bad. At least now he give him Toyota Corolla. Now Chief of Staff give him. Now they give him money. What he do is very, very bad. But can I ask him? I say, Osagbovo, na no see yeah, we ma. Not be meet no now. No see him. And they say, I beg, not respond. I obey them. From there, the boy begin to insult me. I will call them. If they insult, they'll say, cut me the video. Now me go they cut video for now. Una they see it. Now me go they cut her. Sometimes I want to do it. Sometimes I did 1 time. But I decided, I said, never again. I'm too big for this. So, they say next week we will start. When I came out, they say, please, you have to, take it easy. You can criticize the governor, but criticize it with constructive criticism. If what he's doing is wrong, you can say it. Then we are made as okay, fine. I came out, I said, okay, let's see what he can do. I came out, I did everything they asked me to do. Now they begin to post me. Before I know, bam, I know they see person in WhatsApp again. I'm not going to talk that story today. These people, they be snake. And so, from there, less than 2 months, they don't promise me. What did they come do now? They send their political lebuke. Make it begin insult me so that I will come out, I will come insult them. They'll say, now because of that insult, we will not do that thing again. Chief of staff will tell me different thing. Sabov will tell me another one. SSA, Special Advisor on Anti-Human Trafficking, will tell me another one. I'll just listen. This one will talk, this one will talk. Everything called is scatter. I say, oh, and so these people be. That is why Oshomole and Obaseki they fight. That's why Obaseki they fight Oshomole, because Obaseki don't know how to keep promise. Instead of one, they are the one recording me. I know the record person. See, all my phone, I don't get time. Cause me I get traffic, I don't get time. Now they record me. Now here with that Obaseki parasite political lebuke. Say now he tell them say mega comrade, he go use a WhatsApp, he go carry another phone. That is how they are doing it. I tell them say all this messy one they send to now. If you not lie, make them public. Make una help the poor. If una not help Obaseki, they go nowhere. I tell them, I tell them. So you that are question, this is why Oshomole and Obaseki are quarreling. You don't know Obaseki. I know him. I am close to the cabinet. I have dealt with the cabinet. Not before when I never deal with them. If the chief of staff take hand, hit a chair 3 times. He said when he talk, now Obaseki talk. I say, are you sure? Make Obaseki take him out talk. He said, make a combination of me. Believe me, all the plan when they plan for hotel. I hear everything, but I just quiet. Now jail a lot of them for them. Wait, a lot of them now jail them for them and they think I'm Benin. Now they think I'm Benin. Come to America. Come and misbehave. I will put you for jail. I will kill your visa. You will never come to America forever. I am an American. Not only that, I am a security in this country. Not only that, I am a military law enforcement family in this country. Who the hell are you? You come from Nigeria, you say, now so we plan you, now so we plan. I go destroy your visa. It bear your ball. It where you watch list. I put your name on watch list. It bear visa in your ball. Man. So you that ask that question now, what are you going to say? That is the same thing they did to Oshomole. This is my experience with Obaseki. My experience with Obaseki people. My people, tell me where I'm wrong. Everything when they tell me make I do it. Later, they go say, hey, I don't want to go there. Make a reserve there. Obaseki have no Obaseki people go to say PFN. Never try because PFN not do good. Why would I say me PFN do t-shirt? Moku put PFM here. Obaseki go there here. They go they share out for primary school. So that I say, hey, whoa. So Obaseki cabinet cannot criticize PFM. Nobody from Obaseki can say PFM not good. Because if PFM was not good, why were you people anxious for you all to do t-shirt with PFM and Obaseki anti-human trafficking? Why? I said no. Make first reach. We go first go bring people for Bamako first. So that is it. So the person that asked question, now people come here and say, hey, Nanos Maker. So Nanos Maker Obaseki say make you go do t-shirt. They tell Obaseki wife was very happy. My video, then they send them to them, he go watch them, he go tell them, go give them thumbs up. They will call me and say, Obaseki is very happy, we get peace now. But Obaseki is a promise and failed man. He don't know how to keep promise. That is why they fight Oshomole. Not be Oshomole the fight. Now Obaseki the fight Oshomole. Now hear me. So PFM, it don't go. It don't go. If PFM was just nobody, why would governor be begging for PFM to why? That God bless you. I see you, brother. I see you. So my people, that is it. Any more question? Ask question if you want to ask. They were going to use me. They were going to use me. They were recording me. I know, but me, I don't care. I don't care. They were going to use me. Okay, I was supposed to go to Italy, go meet them. I said, nah, lie, I know they go. Bamako. They say, oh, I came and say, Obaseki, I said, the speed there. They tell me, say, we are ready to do it now. Governor approve it, everything. Then another day they say, we are waiting for governor approval. I say, hey, but you told me the other day governor already approval. You told me the other day governor don't propose money. Now another one will come say, they say whether the money go reach. Where the so it was Obaseki. Ayamoekoka Owakpa Egba. So my experience with Obaseki is enough for Edo people to run from Obaseki. My experience, I not ask them 1 penny. Not be money. I not ask them 1 penny. In People Freedom Movement, it's not good. Why was Obaseki dying for us to do t-shirts so that they be say they go do t-shirts, they go share them for all schools, college, why? So that is the opportunity I did not give them. Ask them what I'm saying if it's lie or true, if not true or lie. Ask them. So anybody come here, come the right, say PFM, the more I don't mind them. They are God, they beg for PFM endorsement. Obaseki people, they beg for PFM as endorsement. They beg. Hold on, let me answer this call right quick. So, hello. Yes, I'm on live. What's up? What TV online? We are here. They get them in water. Everywhere, Maryland, when I call him Monday. Okay, on my letter. So, my people, that is it. I love you. I'll see you all tomorrow. I don't want this video to be long. Go and meet Obaseki. Mega Comrade Bane. Everybody know me. Say that is why after that I saw it that they be snake. So Edo youth make una not fight, una not be soldier, una not be police. Obaseki should give una job. 200,000 job when he promise. They never even start. That is my experience with Governor Obaseki. Now remember, good night everyone. Remember what my Wisi brother said. 2020, gentleman all day. They never start to. They feel soldier, they don't really reject Okada talk. Okada, yeah, I feel the boy, I tell Okada lower. Why agmena? Imotori agade, they is aging knocking it, nonsense. Why is it? Yeah, you go to Wawame. Wagek Bina. When you have him here, when you have him here, you have him here, so you have your level London, so you level America. You have him here, you have your wire Bina. Why Bina? Anybody talk to us, say, waiting who be PFN, tell them, say, PFN na movement when Obaseki people they beg, make they do t-shirt together. Okpa itafuala, okpa kaka, okpa itafuala, okpa itafuala. See you all tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Now show me the Saturday. I'm coming. Igbenana. Obodo show me the
2020, gentleman of the 2020, gentleman of the 2020, gentleman of the call your people big, gentleman of the call your people big, gentleman of the say now you be leader, gentleman of the 2020, gentleman of the gentleman no dey.